So now let's see this particular question. So again, a question on a sentence placement. So this original sentence says, most performed ritual services for the laity and some studied the scriptures, right? So you can know that maybe the preceding sentences will going to talk about most performed some of this and some studied the scriptures. Now, the rise of the lay meditation movement marked a major change in Buddhist practices in the 20th century. Okay, and traditionally few monks meditated. Okay, now most perform ritual services for the laity and some studied the scriptures. Can we say that the first is the correct placement, right? So first I would say it would be too early to put this particular sentence. Okay, now the beginning of the paragraph is actually telling you or discussing the rise of lay meditation movement. Okay, and the traditional practices of few monks meditating, right? Now, inserting the sentence here would kind of, you would say that disrupt the flow, okay, the first, right? So they say that the rise of the lay meditation movement marked a major change in Buddhist practice in the 20th century. Traditionally, few monks meditated. So many performed ritual services for the laity and some studied the scripture. We're talking about meditation, no? So this is already connected to it. So one is definitely not the answer. Now let's see what is the following sentence is talking about. So the highest status went to learned monks in urban centers or to rare forest meditators. Okay. Just a second, I need to drag this. Lay life was thought to be incompatible with meditation. Part of the modernization of the religion has seen meditation being taught to the laity, often by laymen and women. And I think so that a lot of you would be tempted to pick up option number three, okay, because you can say that this is lot of kind of echo words here, laities here, and then meditation is being there, religion is being discussed, right? But the correct placement for this sentence is option number two. Now, why do we need here is that because the preceding sentence is talking about traditionally few monks meditated. Okay, now why few monks meditated? Okay, what is the reason that the few monks were meditating? So it gives us the reason that most performed ritual services for the laity and some studied the scriptures. ठीक है, so most ritual करते थे और कुछ scriptures पढ़ते थे. So that was the reason that only few monks meditated. Okay, so after introducing that traditionally few monks meditated, the given sentence elaborates on what the monks did instead of meditating, right? So providing a kind of traditional roles of the monks. Okay, so that is the case, okay? And in case if you can see here that it says that the highest status went to learned monks in urban centers, okay? So किसको जाता था जो learned monks होते थे जो studied the scriptures, okay? So learned monks in urban centers or to the rare forest meditators, okay? Now a life was taught to be just a second. So lay life was taught to be incompatible with meditation. Part of the modernization of the religion has seen meditation being taught to the laity, often by laymen and women. Now, we cannot say that most performed ritual services for the laity and some studied the scriptures. It does not make the sense, no? When it is being, let's say, you can say that the lay life was thought to be incompatible with meditation, and part of the modernization of religion has seen meditation being taught to the laity, often by laymen and women. Okay, so again, most perform ritual services for the laity and some studied the scriptures. Why the laymen and the women were going to study the scriptures? Okay, so placing the sentence here would be kind of, let's say, you can say it's again blocking it to get into it, right? Now you can see here that for many middle class Buddhists, this means that bypass monasteries altogether and base their religion practices on meditation centers. Okay, so what is this saying is that for many middle class Buddhists, many middle class Buddhists, this means that they bypass monasteries altogether and base their religious practices on meditation center. So why would they do this? Okay, now they would do this because I mean like kind of because they bypass the monasteries altogether and base their religious practice on meditation centers. So, उनकी जो religious practice है, that is basically based on meditation center. Now, putting sentence here that most perform ritual services for the laity and some studied the scriptures. So that again does not make a sense. Okay, why would they studied the scripture? No, they are just the middle class Buddhists. Here they are the laymen, men and a women, right? So that's the reason that the correct placement of the sentence is option number two, because it kind of gives you a detailed description of what the monks were traditionally engaged in. Okay, and it, in case if you put it here, no, then again it kinds of bridge the gap between the old and the new practices. Okay, so that is the case, right? Now, so the highest status went to the learned monks in urban centers or to the, now lay life was thought to be incompatible with meditation, and part of the modernization of the religion has seen meditation being taught to the laity, often by laymen and women. Okay, and for many middle class Buddhists, this means that they bypass monasteries altogether and base their religious practice on मेडिटेशन सेंटर. सो वो ये ना मॉडर्नाइजेशन रिलीजन का हो गया. ओके, सो उन्होंने कहा कि मोनेस्ट्रीज छोड़ो, हमें लर्न नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट स्टेटस किसको था? लर्न मॉक्स को. यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट स्टेटस इज दैट यू base your religious practices on meditation center only. So that's the reason that the 2 is the correct placement. I hope you were able to manage this question.